Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from Grady Tech, and in this video, I'll be unboxing and reviewing UAG Plasma Series case for the OnePlus 8 Pro. So guys, here's the case. As of now, this is the only UAG Plasma Series case that's available for the OnePlus 8 Pro, and that too only in one color, that's ice. Now this particular product is priced at 1700 rupees. You can buy it on TechieTake's official website or Amazon.in. But if you directly buy it on TechieTake website, you can use the TechieTake's coupon to get 7% instant discount. By the way guys, I'll also be doing a giveaway of this case, so stay tuned till the end to know more information about that. Now with that said, let's quickly unbox this case. So this is all it takes. So guys, here's the case. This is how it looks on the back, and this is how it looks on the front. It has rubber padding on all the corners for some extra drop protection, and on the inside you also get this hexagon pattern which also provides some drop resistance. Now let me just try out the case. So this is how the phone looks with the case on the front and on the back. So for starters, it has a raised lid for the camera module, so even when you place your phone directly on its back, camera is very well protected. And even on the front, there is a bit of raised lip, so even when you place your phone directly on its face, it is still pretty well protected. And because of the rubber padding on the top and bottom, it doesn't slide off either. Normally UAG cases are pretty bulky, but surprisingly for this particular phone, even with the case on, phone still feels pretty sleek. At least it is still pretty manageable. Now for the buttons, even with the case on, buttons are easily traceable and they have a nice clicky feel to them. They are slightly hard to press, but still pretty good. And you also get a cutout at the top over here for the alert slider. Besides that, you also get all the regular ports on the top and bottom. Now let me give you a quick physical overview. So here's the back. Now this is a close-up of the camera module, so it's very well protected. And this is the bottom. You have a nice big cutout for the charging port and even for the speaker grill. This is the top. We have a cutout for the microphone hole. And this is the left side with the volume up and down buttons. And finally, this is the right side with the power button and a gap for the alert slider. And here's a close-up for the front. So it has a pretty decent raised lip. So guys, this is the UAG Plasma Series case for the OnePlus 8 Pro. So if you're looking for a case that can give you some drop protection for your OnePlus 8 Pro, then I can definitely recommend you this case. Now with that said, let's talk about the giveaway. So to participate in the giveaway, just subscribe to us on YouTube, follow us on Twitter and Instagram, like us on Facebook, and perform the set of actions, and you're done. We'll pick a winner in a week and get back to you. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you're planning to buy this case or the phone itself, use the link in the description. It always helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGradyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from Grady Tech signing off. Have a nice day.